In today's video, I'll show you on how you can make thread in TinkerCAD. So to make your thread, it's as simple as heading over to your project right here. And once inside, you have to navigate through the shapes screen or the shapes toolbox right here. So from there, you then want to click on the search icon and simply search for thread. In here we have multiple threads, and in my case I'm going to be using this one. And as you can see, we have managed to insert a thread right here, but of course we're not done yet. Now let's say that I want to make sure that this thread right here inserts perfectly onto my cylinder shape. So to do that, I'm just going to duplicate my thread, and from there you have the ability to adjust your diameter for your thread. You have your pitch, the thread scale, and more. I'm just going to leave this at default, and then I'm going to make this one a hole. From there, I'm going to align them together, making sure that they fit perfectly, and then I'm just going to combine both shapes. From there, we have managed to create a thread inside this shape right here, as you can see. And if I align this together, I'll be able to use this right here. So in my case, I'm just going to insert a head thread, which consists of a cylinder. In here, I'm going to make this shape smaller, and then I'm going to insert it at the top of my thread right here. Once again, after making sure that they are aligned together, you can simply lower down your design and from there you can combine them together. And so now I have managed to make this thread right here. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.